Sa outpost, ha. Come. Come to me. Just mount. Come. Mount up. Come southwest. Dismount dito. Mount up Lumberge. Hold. Hold. Buda posi. Come. Inch up. Come.
Charlotte Lodge, ah.
Ge.
Go, kiting sila southeast, pabalik sa outpost.
Ge. Keep walking lang. Pa southwest kami, Bird, ha. Then Cole. And then Bird. Southeast kayo na ano.
Yes, sir. Traffic.
Guys,
Sama
huwag tumarks ha.
bilang kiting lagi.
Hold muna.
Basta ako, Dol.
Basta ako
Ah.
doon. Ala, Slabs Terreno, pa-invite ako.
Wala tayong DPS flank.
Unsa.
Dol, all the mic except the crown is DPS. Oh, healer. All the mic, enemy mic is healer. All.
Okay, healer. Okay. Come southwest.
I'm gonna mark the color.
Come southwest.
Hodge caller, Hodge.
Hold mo na. Kasi sinong clerical? Wait lang, hold mo na. Clerical, push through na. Legit. Clerical, brawlers. Push through. Pasok. Push through. Pasok. Wag niyo ipakit.
I'm gonna damnation in 3.
Wag niyo ipakit. Come.
Damnation now.
Boots up. Boots up, boys. Brawl. Keep rolling. Di ba? Easy lang, boys. Come.
Oh, they can engage. Careful.
Wala na yan.
Looking.
Dead na yan. Dead. Boys, legit. Dead.
Sa
Legit.
east niya.
Sige lang. Keep going kay insurgents. Keep going sa insurgents. Go lang. Hills up. Keep healing. Go. Heal. Keep going. Go.
Damnation now.
Insurgents. Keep rolling. Boots. CC. Keep going. CC. Keep going. Wag niyo ipablit. Gigpats dito. Gig.
Careful, they have engage.
Push. Wala na to. Broken na. And then, come back niyo. Putahan natin yung nag-prank sa atin. Tara. Wala na yan.
Pangit yan.
Oh, loot up, don't forget.
Loot up.
Ito si Iliad. Patayin niyo si Iliad.
Wag na yung Iliad.
Ay, Vasilya.
Ito, pinatay nila main.
They looking.
Come to me. Heals.
Caesar on south.
Heals. Spread and brawl. Boys. Trust. Spread and brawl. Yan na. Go na. They already used the
Damnation now.
Spread and brawl.
Bro.
Clerical if you need to. Okay, go. Keep going. Better player wins. Let's go, boys. I'm gonna do this inside. Dropping Judy inside. Keep going.
Damnation in 3.
Roll. Keep rolling.
Damnation now.